for a technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened with a gap up today. However, within the first 45-30 minutes of the trading session, the Nifty gave up all its gains. However, thereafter it traded in a sideways manner around the 20-hour moving average and closed and traded in a sideways manner. However, it was in the afternoon after 1 p.m. the Nifty saw a sharp fall, and it did not hold on to even any of the crucial supports and ended the day with a 163 point cut on the Nifty. The advance, the market rate was negative with 219 advances to 1338 declines. The mid cap and the small cap index were down by 5% and 4.5% respectively. Reliance, ONGC, L&T were some of the major losers in trade today, while Sun Pharma, ITC and Ranbaxy managed to close in the positive today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that the Nifty has faced a sharp correction from the levels of 7810 on the upside. In the last update, we pointed out that we were expecting the Nifty to continue its rally up till 7830 on the upside, and we were expecting a swift move on the upside. However, the exact opposite has happened in today's trading session, and the Nifty has closed in the negative. Currently, Nifty is trading above its 20-day simple moving average, which has been acting as a crucial support for the Nifty in the current rise which we have seen. In terms of price pattern, in terms of candlestick pattern, today Nifty has formed an engulfing bear pattern, which is a bearish pattern, and it has eaten up all the gains of the last 4 trading sessions in just one trading session. So considering all these factors, we have changed our short-term trend to down from up, and we expect levels of 73.70 on the Nifty in the coming trading sessions. So our short-term trend is down. 73.70 is the 38% retracement of the rise from 66.40 to 7810, which is the high of today's trading session. That comes to around 73.70 roughly. So we are expecting the Nifty to trade with a negative bias in the coming trading sessions. Yes, we are at the crucial support of 20-day simple moving average, and if in tomorrow's trading session we see today's low of 7595 being breached on the downside, then we can expect the selling pressure to intensify, which could take the Nifty down till 7500 initially, and below that around 7435, which is the 40-day exponential moving average and the daily lower Bollinger Band. So overall, friends, it should be a sell on rise kind of strategy for Nifty in the coming trading sessions. On the hourly chart, we can observe that the Nifty saw a sharp fall, and it did not hold on to the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, which it was holding on until yesterday's trading session. So overall, it is currently trading at this crucial support trend line. So a breach below today's low will bring further selling pressure in Nifty. So if today's low of 7595 is breached on the downside, traders can go short on Nifty in the coming trading sessions. 7703 and 7737 are the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, which should act as crucial resistances for the Nifty in the coming trading sessions. Supports are placed at 7530, which is a gap area on the daily chart, and 7435, which is the 40-day exponential moving average. So 7530 and 7435 are crucial supports. 7703 and 7737 are crucial resistances. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has closed in the negative for the second consecutive day. Overall, while observing the chart of Bank Nifty, we can observe that while the Nifty has taken out the high of the May election day result, Bank Nifty has not been able to do that in the past 1 to 2 months, and in today's trading session it has closed below the crucial support of the 20-day simple moving average. Now considering all these factors, It is currently trading at the 40-day exponential moving average and the daily lower Bollinger Band, which is a crucial support. So if in tomorrow's trading session we see the low of 7595 on Nifty being breached, which could spread the selling pressure across all the major indices, and bank indices is one of the major indices. So it will further spread the selling in these indices also. So if in tomorrow's trading session we see some selling pressure and we see the low of today being breached on the downside, then traders can initiate shorts on Bank Nifty in the coming trading sessions. Crucial supports are placed at 14,880 and 14,460. On the upside, 15,000 and 15,236 are crucial resistances. So overall friends, our view on the Nifty has changed to negative with a target of 73.70 on the downside, with the reversal placed at 7810. That's all for the day. Thank you.